Another lazy afternoon. The clouds covered in gray. Third coffee of the day. Almost fell asleep on Zoom. I yawn at the display. Third meeting.
Hey guys, and good afternoon. Today is January 5. It's Monday, 4:06 p.m. Itong vlog na to is not aesthetic, as you can see, because ganito lang kasi ako on a regular basis. In fairness guys, nakaka 5 minutes na tayo. So I only have 25 minutes left para maglakad. Kasi ngayon tinatamad akong tumakbo and paulan na.
Of the day. But I can hear raindrops that dancing on the roof.
Just a quick update. I only have 8 minutes and 17 seconds left to walk. So while I'm walking, I'm editing the new last vlog ko, which was the Vlogmas week 4. Medyo late na rin ako nagpo-post ng mga vlogs because I chose to live in the moment. Kasi umuwi si ate. Gusto ko lang mag-spend ng time with my family and friends. Most especially kapag holidays. And we all know na busy days yun. Lalo na dito sa Philippines. I could say na yung holidays like this are very important sa culture natin, mga Filipino. Nakita niyo yung double chin ko pero go dead ma lang. Kapawalain natin yung mga best. Yung mga te, malapit na tayo matapos. And this year, one of my goals is to be more active. Also, I don't want to share it here, other goal ko. But I'm actually manifesting and claiming it. So I'm hoping that it will come true. Sana. Wait lang. Medyo kakahingal pala magsalita guys. Anyways, para maging totoo yun, syempre, dapat merong actions ma-achieve natin yung goal na yun. Another goal is to go back magbasa kasi marami akong books na naka-stock. I think 2 or 3 books pa yata. No po, I'm hoping na mabasa ko lahat yan before the year ends. Tapos na tayo maglakad. This is day 1 and I'll see you on the next days or tomorrow. Bye! Hey guys and good morning! Today is January 6. It's Tuesday. It's already 10:16 a.m. So, this is day 2 of walking. Ngayon medyo naka-outfit tayo. Ganda-gandahan tayo for today's video. Of course, di ko makalimutang maglagay lagi ng sunscreen and Vaseline for my lips. Para naman plump and medyo moisturized. Gusto ko i-chika sa inyo. I feel like I need to do this challenge. We'll definitely do this challenge. Consistently, like right after a week. Para then for my health. And walking has a lot of benefits. Since it's already 2026, ang goal natin is to be healthier. Like, not just physically, but also mentally. Samahan nyo lang ako maglakad and I hope you have a good day.
Calling out, don't lose your youth, 'cause I can stay inside and type away inside. Oh.
7 minutes in, guys. Ang bilis ng oras, in fairness. Pag wala kang ginagawa, bagal. Pero if you're doing something, ang bilis ng oras. I'm listening to Love's music. If you guys know Love, I'll spell it out for you. Like, L-A-U-V. I like his songs. He was introduced to me by my cousin. Nagustuhan ko yung mga songs niya. Upbeat, it's relatable. Pakita ko sa inyo yung cute dog.
Today, just a little less.
Just a quick update. Naka 10 minutes na ako. What I like about walking in the morning is that may araw. Because we all know that the sun has vitamins. So, marami siyang benefits. Kahingal. Medyo uphill kasi itong nilalakaran ka. Pakita sa inyo. Ayan. Guys, look. Ito na siya challenge. Kung kaya natin magsalita or not while walking.
Monday, no.
Day 2 of doing this 30-minute walk challenge.
Just stay inside and type away inside. Oh, take today. Oh, doesn't it?
Guys, 11 minutes left. Matatapos na tayo. Mga ka-vlog dito. Raise your hands if ako lang inubo or kayo din. Comment down below. Another update guys. 6 minutes left. Lapit na tayo umuwi. Fairness. It's giving pagod. Ginusto ko to. Guys, we're done. Pauwi na tayo. Okay, makakaligo na ako makakain. Day 2 is done. Bye guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Hey guys, and good morning. Today is January 7. It's 9:34 a.m. This is my third day of walking for 30 minutes. Medyo non-aesthetic yung outfit natin. Kasi pambahay lang to. Join me for today's video.
The rain, eh.
I like the weather today, guys, because it's not that hot. I don't know if it's gonna rain. I'm listening to Pink Pony Club by Chapel or Chapel Rowan. I don't know how you pronounce it. It's actually one of my favorite songs niya. Kasi wala, parang ang upbeat lang. Tapos party, hey, gano'n. 7 minutes in, you guys. I only have 23 minutes left para maglakad. So far, kaya naman, at least I'm being consistent by doing this, diba? Guys, 14 minutes left. So happy. Natatapos na ako dito from walking. I'm a bit hungry and thirsty. 3 minutes remaining, guys. Matatapos na tayo from this challenge. So, probably, I'll upload this. Hindi ko pa sure. Maybe first week of February. Kasi ang dami ko pang pending na videos na hindi pa na-edit. Guys, I'm finally done. So, later's done. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye! Hey guys, and good morning. Today is January 8th. It's already 11:18 a.m. So, ngayon pa lang ako magwo-walk since I did something in the morning. Samahan niyo lang ako. Maging consistent tayo sa challenge na to. Let's go, guys. I'm walking na, as you can see. Kanina, guys, medyo makulimlim. Pero ngayon lumalabas na si Mr. Sun. Little by little. Pero yun, sana hindi mainit.
Na 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 na. Woo!
Kanina, I thought it's gonna rain kasi nga, since the sky was a bit dark. Pero ngayon, lumalabas na si Mr. Sun. Guys, 15 minutes in, nangangati na ang gate. 15 minutes na lang, paulan na din. Charot. Started drizzling. Hindi umulan. Nag-stop ang ambon. Tuloy pa din ang lava. Mga besh, 1 minute left. Makakaihi na tayo at makakauwi na. Guys, I'm done for today. Bye, guys. I'll see you by tomorrow. Hey, guys, and good afternoon. Today is January 9. It's 4:50 p.m. As you can see, medyo late tayo nag-start for today's video since I had some errands this morning. So, ngayon lang ako nakapag-walk. Pero at least, diba girl, like, who's this consistent girly? Perfect kasi malamig, as you can see, tapos medyo mahangin, may araw konti. Today is our day 5.
Oh, oh, na 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 na. Woo, oh, na 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 na. Woo, na na na. Woo, na na.
Naaliw ako sa pag-edit without knowing na I only have 5 minutes left to walk. 2 goals yung na-achieve kasi I'm editing while walking. 2 minutes left. Makakauwi na ako. Gagawin pa ako mamaya eh. Hindi ko nagawa kaninang morning kasi naginawa ko kaninang morning na mas importante. 30 seconds left. Marami tayong mga kasabay. Well, even though more naman na ang mga nag-walk dito ko. Anyways, guys, day 5 is done. Bye!
When I was a little child, I naturally would see magic in the